Today we're going to learn how to make chocolate chip cookies. First step, put 2 eggs. Next step, put 1 cup of butter. This is just butter and eggs. First cup is put 2 cups of sugar. Really mixing.
Good.
Now it's served. That's the cookies. Next step, for sugar. One teaspoon baking soda.
Good job.
1 teaspoon salt. Wow! Some salt on me. 1 teaspoon vanilla. It's right in.
Okay.
Now we blend it. So let's do it all the way to there. Just see it will look like. 2.5 cups flour. That's a smooth. Here's some flour all over the place. Some fall out. 2 cups chocolate chips. I was just scooting a little bit.
Yeah.
So I can. We blend it as smooth of a baby bun. Here it looks like. Now it's done. We put it in the oven 75 degrees. And 9 cents. 9 cents cookies. And look at the cookies. Because I like these cookies. And you can see the cookies because I just have a little bit messy face because I ate the cookie dough because it was a mess. And now we just cleaned this mess and now we have the cookies right here. You can see the cookies, but I like the cookies. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Have a great